The key for 2014, we think for all investors, including ourselves, is to make sure that you're positioned to not need market appreciation or significant market appreciation to generate attractive competitive returns, but to have as much upside capture if we do get the better economic outcomes that we expect and the better market outcomes that we expect. At the same time, you want to have as little downside as possible if and when there's a market correction or some type of exogenous shock that occurs over the next 6 or 12 months. So the way we're set up now is we think we have a healthy balance between both the catalytic strategies, including event-driven equity, another strategy we call Basel III bank recapitalizations, which is really focused on banks continuing to fix their liabilities, which they have a lot of wood to chop still, particularly in Europe, to get up to the Basel III standards, and some are distressed positions over in European bank deleveragings and asset sales. So we think that part of the portfolio in flat markets should be mid to high single digits, but it'll provide significant upside capture if things improve. However, that's where the most downside will be if markets and the economy deteriorate more than we expect. The cash flow generative side, which is roughly 40 to 45% of the portfolio, that's there to generate returns in flattish markets. We won't have much upside capture if things go the way we think, meaning if things continue to improve, but you'll still make pretty competitive returns. But it shouldn't be affected much, if at all, if we have significant deterioration. So if you think of it simplistically, one part of the portfolio is about greed, right? Make as much money as possible in an environment you think is going to be very rich. The other part of the portfolio is about fear. In case things don't turn out as well as you'd expect, that'll be a buffer to any market volatility. Simplistically, we'd like to think if markets are flat, we have a fighting chance to make mid to high single digits. If equities are up 20, we can make 10 to 15, hopefully closer to 15. But if markets are down 10 for whatever reason, we'd be flat plus or minus. And we think that's about the best risk-reward profile you can put up in this market environment without taking significant risk to some type of adverse outcome.
All investments are subject to risk, including the possible loss of the money you invest. For more information about Skybridge Capital Multi-Advisor Hedge Fund Portfolio Series G, call 1-888-759-2730 to obtain a prospectus. Investment objectives, risks, charges, expenses, and other important information about a fund are contained in the prospectus. Read and consider it carefully before investing. This webcast is for educational purposes only. We recommend that you consult a professional advisor about your individual situation.